this is how I wash my towels. That's why I said do everything yourself. Don't wait for someone to come and wash for you. It's all part of realizing really and to those of you that think that when you are on meals you can't wash, I'm on no best of washing. This is how I wash bed sheets. You can see my hands are small, but they produce. Beauty without self-care is, to me, is nonsense. Get you're right. Be hot when you are even washing it. So hot. Smart girl with a big guy. Life is not easy. If you get money, you push, you push. So I'm now washing that all. You can see the ends it. Then guess what next? Drying. Yeah. When it's dried up, I'll show you. Because they'll see how it needs to be ready. Do it yourself. So I'm raising it so that I'm going to so now guys, I know that now everyone can wash. Okay. Yeah. I've done so much explanation for the first time in my videos. So let's continue with the washing. So it's time to wash boxes. So first of all, if you want to wash a mailbox, this is how it's done. We first start with the underparts. See how I'm washing it. Yes. I'm here for it, that's what I said. Yeah. I'll make a video of washing the vent and here so you see. My hands can do a lot of things with that video. So the next one will be guess what I'm washing next for you guys? This is strange. So we first wash this part. You can't hear, you see. That's the most important part. If you want it to open it up. You can choose to, rinse and dry after. But it's so advisable to wash it twice. Yes. I I've washed the first part, this is like the second part. So whilst I'm washing, I can go and dry it. You get it? Yeah, that's the secret to wash. If you're lazy like me, you first make sure you wash every bit. Then when you come to the second one, as you're washing, then you'll be drying. Guys, I think I have to say bye-bye here. So yeah, you guys can tell me what to wash next. Until then, see you in my other videos. I'm Jessica. Do it yourself quick.